Hi, and welcome to the Techie Admin channel. Today I want to show you some tips and tricks in Outlook so that you can put your conversations in the same view. So like it's easy to really follow along who said what at what time, and you don't have to keep back and forth between your sent folder and your inbox. The next thing I want to show you is how to delay send emails. And then I want to show you how you can take an email and create a reminder out of it. Have you ever accidentally replied to an email where there was another email after that and you didn't notice until later, and then the question you wrote was already answered and now you just kind of look silly like you didn't read all your emails? Well, there's one quick solution to that, and it's called Conversation View. So what you would do is go into the View settings over here and click on Show as Conversations. So now what it's going to do is see there's a thread here. It's called Conversation View Rocks. And so I sent this first email, then I sent the second email, and they're showing us as separate emails. And if there's multiple people commenting and writing back and forth, then you can have so many separate emails, even though it's really the same conversation. So if you go here and say show as conversation, apply it, what it's going to do is it's going to take this whole conversation and log it under the same thing. So if you press the arrow, you will see these emails together. So if somebody sends another email on top of this conversation, it's going to show up on top again, and you'll never be replying to old emails again. One of my very favorite functions in Outlook is the delay send function. So where is this useful? For example, if somebody's like, oh, can you remind me tomorrow to do that thing? And you're like, well, I don't want to set up a reminder for myself to then have to remind you. That seems like a lot of work. What you can do instead is you can schedule an email to be sent out at a specific time in the future and then just forget all about it. So what you would do is go into New Email, and under the options, you would click the Delay Delivery button. So say you want to just set it up for Monday morning, let's go with 11 a.m. and hit close, and then just type in as you normally would, whatever your email content is. And hit send as you normally would. And what it's going to do, it's just going to hang out in your outbox until it's time to be sent over. Another one of my favorite functions is to take an email that was sent to you or that you sent out and make a reminder out of it. So where is this useful? For example, if you want to schedule a task, maybe somebody sent you a request and you want to work on it, say Monday afternoon, you just take that email and you drag it right into here. And then you can just set up a time when you want this scheduled for, so say Monday. You can just say maybe you want to work on it in the afternoon, so hit save, and now it's going to be in your calendar for then and just pop up as it normally would. Now, if you wanted to, maybe it's just a reminder, you don't necessarily want it to show you as busy. Remember that you can save the settings here to make it look like it's free so that it doesn't block off your actual meeting time. Another way this is really, really useful is you can take an email that you sent to somebody, and if you know that somebody's not so great at getting back to you right on time, you just take an email that you sent, and this is where Conversation View is really helpful. So you just take that email again, drop it in there, and then you can set up a reminder to follow up on that person in the next few days. I hope you learned something useful in Outlook today. If you did, hit thumbs up and hit subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next week. Bye.